Hi, you watching your favorite YouTube channel, Learning Digital. Here we learn digital world things, so subscribe this channel for more digital world videos. Hello and welcome to creating a free business page with blogger.com. Blogging is a way for individuals and businesses to share their content with customers from all over the world. Many users use blogs as virtual journals, but blogs can also be used as informational websites for small businesses. Blogs display information in reverse chronological order, with the latest posts appearing first at the top, which is exactly what you want as a business owner because you want to see your newest offers or products displayed first. This course will introduce you to blogger.com, a website that hosts blogging pages for users around the world and its many features that can be used to promote a small business for absolutely free. First, we will create a blogger.com blog. So in order to do that, you will go on www.blogger.com. It's going to land you on this website. You will need a Google email account to be able to do this. If you do not have a Google account, please set one up at google.com right now. Please pause the course and return when you are ready with your Google email. Once you are back, you will click on Create Your Blog right here, and again you will sign in with your Google email. Once you are signed in, the website will ask you to choose a name for your blog. I would highly suggest that you will choose the name of your business as your blog name. So that's what I would title my blog. I will click on Next and you will here enter the URL for your blog, which again that will be the actual website you will use for your blog. So again this should be a name that goes with your business. If it is not available, so maybe I would just use a number, any additional letter, whatever you need to do, and then you will click Next. Your display name again should be your business's name, and then you click on Finish. You get a warning here. I wouldn't worry about that. Now Blogger has created your page. This is your empty new page. As you can see, there's absolutely nothing there yet. So what we are first going to do is we are going to click on Settings on the left hand page, and this is where you could enter the description of your new page with a couple of keywords that represent you. You could just talk about yourself here. Who are you? Who is your business? And at the very least you could add goods or services offered, your location, your hours, maybe a price list, any kind of contact information that you may want to add there. It could be email, phone, etc. Anything you want to add here that you feel like people should know about your business should go right here. Once you are happy with it, you click on Save. After that, we will move on to make sure that your blog is visible to the public and can be searched on search engines. You absolutely want that, so if somebody Googles your business name, your blog is going to appear. So make sure you keep that turned on right here. Then the comments, I'm going to scroll down here. This is your posts, your settings, your comments are right here. It's asking you here who can comment. I would highly suggest you select anyone, including anonymous, because you want people who do not have a Google account who are on your blog be able to contact you as well. So I'll select Save for that. If you let everybody comment, I would highly suggest you enable the CAPTCHA here so bots cannot post to your blog. You should have that enabled. Absolutely, it's automatically enabled, so just leave that as such. You can moderate comments if you wish. That means pretty much you would have to approve every comment before it posts to your blog. So if you are worried about anything negative, any profanities, you select that, and then again you will get a notification when somebody posts your blog, and you from there will get to approve it or decline it. So this is the main settings we are going to worry about right now. Congratulations, you have now created your new blogger page. Thanks for watching. Keep like and subscribe channel for more new videos.